Hey guys, this is Jdizzeats. Come try Popeyes Ghost Pepper Chicken Sandwich. Come on guys, let's get it. Alright, we're gonna try this banger, the Ghost Pepper Chicken Sandwich. This is what I've been looking for. Oh my god, this thing is so spicy, boy. Oh, I can feel the spice. It's like super hot. You're trying to kiss me right here. That's how spicy it is. Damn, this is freaking juicy and moist chicken sandwich. My favorite chicken sandwich place, Popeyes, besides Chick-fil-A. Because we don't have Chick-fil-A in Canada. We're gonna try this ghost pepper because it has a nice deal on Saturday. I think we're gonna try the ranch here. I think this is the buttermilk ranch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Super good. Insanely crunchy and crispy. And juicy. Look at that, baby. Now we're gonna try with this blackened ranch, I believe. Oh yeah. This is really good, guys. Super flavorful and very spicy at the same time. Wow, this is bussin'.